what is your typical day in your classroom or college?
So we come by 9:30, 10.
Okay.
We come by 9:30, 10, and then we have class till 11, 11:30ish, and we break for tea, and then we come back in another 15, 20 minutes.
So do you have a lot of classroom sessions, or is it going to be a lot of excursion where you
It varies. It varies.
So you do have theory papers?
Yeah, we do have theory papers. In fact, how many of them? 4?
I think we have 5 in total.
Five
But at the same time, we manage our practicals really well.
But they also have practicals.
So what do you, exactly deal with in the theory aspect of it? Is there a lot of mugging up to do?
Not really.
No, it's
I
a
think
lot
they're the
of
basics
practical
of
work.
photography,
Okay.
starting from black and white film and then coming,
And the famous photographers.
exactly.
Well, the
work of
history
them.
and...
Need some famous work so that we get an idea what is accepted and liked.
All right.
History is there, basic history.
We have visual history.
All right. So your job profile, are you guys going to be taking professions in these particular courses after this?
Or something related to it. Yeah, this could be our foundation.
Coming to Jamia is a different experience altogether. For me, being a part of this university is like scratching everything technically from skin to bone. For example, like if you know a camera, you get into it. I've been into photography, but I've just started on my own. I'm a self-taught photographer, but being here, they taught me how it has been evolved, what camera is all about. Like inside, you don't know. We guys are all in the digital generation, and what these guys are teaching us is the film camera. How camera is evolved from film to digital, and what's gonna come ahead
Next. You know what's the scope of it, and what students usually ask what's the scope, what's the
It's actually
salary
good,
like and
because
stuff like.
I think fashion and glamour photography is paying good,
Yeah.
and as we all know, because as our friend also.
And there
he's
are,
look-
what we have been taught over here is like there are many different things also to do, like streams.
photography is not restricted to just one thing, just clicking any photograph. It's like
You've got
there's
products,
street,
you've got
fashion, product. There's like
Photojournalism.
hell lot to do. It's
Because
a
like
very
everything
broad.
is, because it's digitalizing, we need visual things to show the people in front of us. So that's how
I
this
want to
becomes
add
a
on.
medium.
Yes, please.
I want to add on. People say photography is something from which they can earn in a very short span of time, but they don't get to know how much hard work, effort, and time it is involved during the entire day. It is something that takes you hell out of it. Like you have to work the entire day and come up with the end result. And if the client is not happy, you have to redo it. Like it's all on you. It's like only the client trusts your work.
And especially there's a very big trust factor because client events is something, wedding if it's done ek din, so it cannot be repeated.
Oh, yeah.
If you don't have those results, so it's a very big thing. If someone trusts you, you have to anyhow prove your point and deliver the thing.
There's any monotonous moments where you
Yeah.
just feel like, okay, this is getting too much
Exactly.
when you're taking it?
There
You
are
know
points.
what? If we do glamour,
Yeah.
taking for example, so you have to be different in all the different things you do. You can't repeat everything and anything again and again. So you need to be different, and one more thing is variety. You need to produce variety because your clients or your friends or anyone who pays you,
Yeah.
expect something different because nowadays Facebook's there, Instagram, so everyone knows how to pose, how to come up with good images, but still they want you as a professional photographer to come up with something different that suits them and is good for them.
Skill sets that you think you will need if a student after their course is coming to this, what do you think that you absolutely need to be pursuing this course?
One thing before the skills comes up,
Yeah.
madness. You have to be mad at photography.
And you have
if
to be
want.
very
Passionate.
active, and because even this is actually you think that ek खींचना ही तो है, but it is very you have to
There's a lot of
running.
behind work going on.
Yeah, exactly.
One shot
Until and
has to
unless
tell the
you're
story.
into it, you'll get the correct moment. If not, then I'm so sorry.
So what, do you guys have presentations and seminars on a regular basis, or is it?
No, we just have submissions. Like we are taken somewhere for excursion, and then we have to give 10 images. Yeah, here we are given a topic.
Workshops in
Street.
college.
So you cannot fail this subject, right? This course.
No, you can.
You can?
Yeah. If you don't given those 10 required
Submissions.
images, then you will. Then you
You
only
know, you have to
grade
meet
And
up with the
even
pace.
there are these written
It's
exams.
not only about the theory exams, it's more of practical as well.
You know, there's an annual exhibition that happens every year.
Okay.
Once you finish, you're through with your course because, you know, we are like what, 2 months away from our final exhibition.
Grading, like, I did not understand. So they look at your
images
stuff.
and they grade you based on technicality. You need to nail your technical stuff, like the right exposure, the right settings and all of that. They grade you on that. And apart from that, then
The aesthetic point.
they grade you on the creative content, on how you
Alright.
done that.
So I'm going to ask each one of you separately. If you wouldn't have taken this course, then what would you be?
I was already doing something else. I was doing biotech before this.
So why the jump? Let me ask.
I mean, jump because biotech is a very hardcore academic thing, and I mean this is because this is also a short course, so you can do it as a break also. But
You wanted to just diversify, right?
yeah, and I have this. Now I know that I have this one more skill which I can take ahead as a career.
Okay, if not this course, then what course would you take? What did you do prior to this? I mean,
I studied German.
come again?
I studied German.
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 Makes you laugh.
So now if you didn't have taken photography, what would you?
I would have done something related to documentary films, photography.
Same to you.
You know, photography is not just one field, just photography. Actually, it you know, opens your window to another world. So you know, anything that you see, whether it's visuals or anything that you know, you get that the feel of it, the colors, the visualization, the process. So that's what I love about this course. And you know, even if I'm not a photographer, I'll be somewhere creatively involved with the visuals. So that's what I see, because the whole course is photography and visual communication. So it's also visual communication that helps in it.
So they also teach us script writing.
Yeah, script, audio, visual. It's a very creative course. Yeah.
So by the time you get out of it, you have a lot of
Yeah.
options.
Yes.
If not photography, I'll opt filmmaking from FTI Pune.
Okay, internships and placements and all that stuff. So do you have like proper given placements, or do you have to go hunting for it? You have to intern, you have
It's
to
a
find
very
a place.
short-term course. It's just like exactly 8 months
Okay.
of what you feel of the course. But still, you need to, be vibrant, and you need to know the people around you. If you are good at it and you know your contacts, I think there's no looking back there.
Any questions you want to add? I didn't ask about the fest.
How much fun do you have?
Fun? You want to see?
Yeah.
I think you'll have to spend a day with us to actually know what fun is. Because fun has different definitions and equations.
We have awesome
And
food here.
awesome food in and around Jamia. You'll get to eat the Mughlai. It's like we eat Mughlai, right? Everyone. We have
Every
to.
day, every day.
NFC is a cool place.
No, not now. We have Zubi's
By the
kitchen
way, we have
right in
Zubi's
front of
kitchen.
us.
Yeah.
Okay, and what's been going on at
That's my friend's restaurant.
That's my restaurant, so you need to highlight this right now.
That's branding going on.
Yeah.
To cut that.
Okay. You need to pay us to put
I
it
will
up.
do that. Chicken roll would do. So,
Very reasonable for
yeah. But we are like very good. I think we
Oh, I
know
asked,
each
how
other.
many of you are there in a class?
20 in total. But,
20.
yeah, 20 in one class. But this is one group. So we have
One Mallu is missing in us.
Yeah, one member is
She
missing.
is from South India.
One
I'm
Mallu is
waiting.
missing.
Oh, we have to kill this Mallu man.
Should I call
There's
him?
one more person.
That's his pose.
So we have a 5 people group, and we have like immense fun, and it's really
She
good.
is a South Indian bitch.
So what?
So what's all cool, man, right?
You don't have to take all this cut.
I like this.
You need to add this.
I like this. Any message to the students who would want to join or take up photography as a course?
As a profession.
You don't need a camera, first of all, to start photography.
You need
even
an eye.
even if you have a phone, go start
Like
it.
like me and
Not eye. You have big eyes.
You need a good
Vision.
Yeah.
You're different because we have n number of photographers
Exactly.
in Delhi, in India, outside.
One more example is like,
be different.
for a single event, you'll find so many people shooting at the same time, but still, there are only some images that stand out. So now that's what photographers are all about. Yeah. All about. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.